Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Your Excellency, President Emomali Rahman, distinguished members of the media, I congratulate the Government of the Republic of Tajikistan for the successful holding of this very important high-level conference. We highly appreciate the very warm welcome and traditional Tajik hospitality extended to me and the members of my delegation. My visit is a continuation of our policy of frequent exchanges at the highest level. It is a reflection of strong fraternal ties between the peoples of Pakistan and Tajikistan, which have been nourished by centuries-old historical and cultural linkages and linguistic affinities. My visit is also a manifestation of our strong desire to further deepen and broaden bilateral relations with Tajikistan as an integral part of our vision to comprehensively enhance Pakistan's engagement with Central Asia. Tajikistan is our closest neighbor in Central Asia. It is located at the confluence of South and Central Asia and is a gateway to the region. Similarly, we offer the shortest possible route to the sea to countries in the region through our ports. Today we had wide-ranging consultations covering the whole spectrum of bilateral relations and regional and international issues of mutual concern. We reviewed our excellent political relations and agreed that there is a vast potential for expansion of cooperation in the fields of economy, trade, investment, education, science, culture, energy, transport, defense and security. Today we have decided that the Joint Commission on Energy and Infrastructure, established in June 2014, shall meet twice a year to explore the possibilities of mutually beneficial cooperation in the fields of energy and infrastructure. Pakistan and Tajikistan attach great importance to early completion of the CASA 1000 project. This will enable Pakistan to import 1000 megawatts of electricity from Tajikistan to address our growing energy needs. Further avenues of energy cooperation will also be explored. We agreed on enhancing connectivity by air, road and rail for the promotion of our economic relations, people-to-people contacts and tourism. We have concurred with the proposal by a Tajik airline to fly to Pakistan and hope the operation will start soon. Our parliaments are interacting closely and reinforcing the efforts of the two governments for closer ties. Parliamentary exchanges take our close friendship to the grassroots level, as these represent the will of the people. We also agreed to strengthen economic cooperation by optimally utilizing the existing institutional mechanisms, especially through the Pakistan-Tajikistan Joint Ministerial Commission. Our bilateral trade has grown significantly in the recent years, through mutual efforts, it can be sustained and increased further. It is important for our socio-economic development to eliminate the scourge of international terrorism, extremism, drug trafficking, and other threats to regional and global security. We have once again resolved to collectively fight against these evils. Our two countries cooperate closely at the UN, NAM, G77, OIC, ECO, and SCO. We reiterated our mutual desire to deepen this cooperation. We agreed to work closely on the important issue of reform of the United Nations Security Council. My visit to Dushanbe has provided us an opportunity to once again reflect on our common goals of progress and prosperity and the development of infrastructure for regional integration. We noted with satisfaction that our bilateral relations are steadily growing, but our forward-looking vision aims at further elevating the Pakistan-Tajikistan strategic relationship to greater heights. I wish to conclude by once again expressing profound gratitude to my brother, President Rahman, and the government and the people of Tajikistan for the very warm welcome and generous hospitality. My brother, President Rahman, has graciously accepted my invitation to visit Pakistan. The people of Pakistan are looking forward to welcoming His Excellency at his earliest convenience. I thank you. Pakistan, Tajikistan, Dosti, Taabad, Zindabad. Thanks, sir.